Let's begin by lying back all the way. Soles of the feet together, knees open wide. Let the eyes close and start to slow and deepen your breath. Draw each inhale deep into the belly, and then surrender a little more into the support of your mat with each exhale. Extend the left leg long and hug your right knee into your chest. Spend a few breaths here. As you continue to draw the right knee up, allow the right outer hip to drop down toward the mat. Other side now. Extend the right leg long, left knee to chest. Keep the right leg really heavy as you hug the knee in. Draw the other knee up toward your chest, hug the knees in. Grab behind your hamstrings and rock and roll all the way up. Then sink back to child's pose. Melt the chest toward the mat as the hips soften. Slowly rise up. Now find a seat on your mat. Roll your wrists in one direction. Now the other. Come to a gentle stop. Hands behind, unfold the legs and bring your feet in front about as wide as your mat. Sway the knees from side to side. Come to stillness, then recross the legs. Janu Shirsasana, left leg long, right foot inside left inner thigh. Inhale, lengthen your low back, reach your crown tall. With a long spine, exhale, fold over the leg. If it helps you maintain a flat back, bend your knee until your thigh connects with your low belly, and fold forward from there. Then start to straighten the leg to increase the stretch in the hamstring. Slowly rise. Set up for a spinal twist. Left leg stays long, step the right foot to the outside of the left thigh, then fold the left leg in. Hug the knee in with your left arm. Inhale, plant the right hand behind you. Breathe out, twist right. Hook left elbow outside the right thigh. Let each inhale invite space into your spine, and let each exhale deepen the twist. Gently unwind. Place the hands behind you and bring the feet flat to the mat for reverse tabletop. Lift the hips high. Exhale, release back down. Janu Shirsasana, second side. Right leg long, left foot to right inner thigh. Inhale, keep your low back long. Then fold over the leg as you exhale. Bend your right knee if you need to keep the low back long. Slowly rise back up. Spinal twist. Leave your right leg out long and step the left foot to the outside of the right thigh. Then fold the right leg in. Hug the knee in with the right arm. Breathe in and root the left hand down. Breath out, twist left. Hook right tricep outside the left thigh. Move the left shoulder back and take your gaze over the left shoulder. Slowly unwind. Find staff. Straighten both legs in front of you and press into your hands. Inhale here. Exhale, fold over the legs. Focus on keeping the low back long here, which means you might not fold very far forward. You might even need to bend your knees a bit. Rise back up. Round angle pose. Draw the soles of the feet together and let the knees open wide. Start to hinge forward, long spine here. Breathe in. Keep length through the low back and exhale, fold. You might not fold very much here, and that's okay. Focus on keeping the low back long. Start to rise. Now make your way onto your back again. Slowly pull your knees up into your chest. Exhale, knees drape to the left, extend your right arm to the right, and gaze right. Allow the body to settle here. Everything relaxed, everything heavy. Unwind, bring the knees back to center. Other side, knees to the right, gaze left, exhale. Melt the left shoulder down toward the mat. Release the twist, then slowly pull your knees up into your chest. Take a final breath in. Exhale, Shavasana. Extend the arms and the legs out long and settle in. Enjoy Shavasana here for as long as feels right for you. Thank you for sharing your practice with us.